Hey girls, I'm getting ready to post this announcement, but I wanted to set up a quick video kind of explaining what it was. This is a course level assessment quiz. It's a way for the campus to collect data, so every 142 student is being asked to take this quiz just to kind of see how well you're learning the information. It should be no pressure, but is incentive to do well in this quiz because I'm going to give you extra credit on your Chapter 11 test for every question you get right. So hopefully you're continuing to work on your homework for Chapter 11 and you're going to do the review. And remember, if you do that review and you get at least an 80%, you get your first extra credit. So this is an opportunity for even more extra credit. It should only take you about 15 minutes. It's covering information on Chapter 11, so you're already working on it, so that should be good. But for every question you get right, I'll give you points toward your grade. Okay? Please make sure that you take time to do this by next Monday, before your test is due. You're going to go down to this link. It's going to ask you for the passcode. Our passcode is 4038. It's going to ask you for our section number, so 33504. Make sure that you put your first and your last name. This is how I'm going to find your score. So I'll go in on Tuesday, I'll log in, I'll find all your scores and give you even more extra credit. And then make sure that you read the directions and answer all 7 questions and push submit. Okay? So keep studying hard for your Chapter 11. Take about 15 minutes at some point this week to do this CLA quiz to earn even more extra credit. Let me know if you need anything.